Hey traders, welcome to this video taking a look at OANDA's proprietary mobile app and some of its basic features that are really empowering to traders looking for more out of their mobile trading experience. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at some of the cool features that this thing has, all baked into it and make trading so much easier to access. For traders that focus on forex, this is a really easy to use app and I'm excited to show you some of the features. So I've got my phone pulled up here and I want to just show you what I'm looking at. So I've got a small live account here that I am working off of, and I want to show you some of the features that I can use to easily navigate and trade directly from my phone if I want to. This makes trading on the go really nice too. And from my personal experience, having an app that just allows me to pull this up and take a look at everything in a really easy to use way is awesome. Especially it has some charting capabilities. So we're going to get into some of the cool features. First of all, we can take a look at the portfolio approach. You can see currently this is a really easy, this bottom left portfolio section shows me all of the trades that I'm currently in. So right now I've only got one short position on the euro against the pound, and you can see kind of I'm floating 44 lost pips, or I'm down 44 pips here currently, and then I can see orders, there's nothing there, and I can show positions, and of course I can also take a look at some activity on my account. So any closed trades, so you can see I closed a USD CHF trade, and I can pull it up and get some information. This makes using the software so easy to just kind of take a look at your trading records and keep up to date with how things are going so far. Within this page, you can also sort by date, you can sort by type, by market, units, net P&L, you can do all sorts of stuff. And you can also go here to view the full transaction history. Next up, we'll take a look at the Instruments tab. And this is pretty cool because what this allows you to do is easily take a look at your favorite currency pairs. And what you'll notice here is that under favorites, I've selected, I can actually go full screen here. I've selected some of the ones that I like to look at the most. So I have things like euro pound, Aussie dollar, pound yen, pound dollar. I have all sorts of different currency pairs that I like to watch myself. And you can adjust this to suit your own liking with the pencil icon in the top right there. You can actually select and remove things. You can go to the forex tab to add whatever you'd like to your personalized kind of experience liking. Additionally, on this page, you can actually see that when I click on a specific chart, so if I pull up AUD USD here and then click this little tab at the bottom, I can now actually take a quick look at the chart. And what I love about this is I can actually scroll this bar at the bottom to select a different time frame. If I want to look at like the hourly chart or the 10-minute chart or the 2-minute chart, I can look at pretty much anything I want here on the go. And it's just a nice way to access the chart. And then there's this nice kind of one-click buy and sell button, which makes trading on the go a lot easier. Next, we'll go to the new order section, which is this bottom middle button. So if I wanted to take a trade, let's just say I'm looking at USD CAD, I can place a market order and just enter my units and my take profit, stop loss, trailing stop, etc. This is pretty cool to have this trailing stop built into the app. Is very cool. So if I take a look at that, I can also place entry orders and things like that all within here. And I can just scroll across the top if I want to look at a different currency pair and place a trade on each one of these. Next up, we'll take a look at the feed section. And this is really cool because you've got your news, of course, on the top left, but then check out the alerts section. This is awesome. It actually shows you some really interesting latest updates that might be relevant to you, especially if you're a trader that likes to look at like sentiment, like the tools that OANDA offers to their clients. So you can see this update at the top says USD bullish, OANDA clients moving long USD this hour versus euro plus 4.6% for the euro and Japanese yen plus 0.6%. So really interesting just to see little updates like that coming into your mobile device here. Again, very convenient for on-the-go trading. Finally, if we go to more, you can see there's all sorts of management for your own personal account. You can, of course, withdraw funds, you can transfer funds, add funds, you can go to StockTwits. And if we go to the technical analysis tab, we can see there are some pretty cool charts being displayed here. This is all coming from AutoChartist, which is a third-party software that is implemented directly on the OANDA mobile app. And you can actually see as I scroll through here, you have all these different charts and ideas being generated automatically by this software, and you can access this directly from within the mobile app. So super convenient. It comes with a time frame, the different patterns that are being recognized by the software, and much more. It's very, very cool. Back to the more section, you can see there is an economic calendar, which is super convenient to keep an eye on upcoming major news. You can see we've got CPI numbers coming up, so that is right front and center for me to find on the app. Next, we can go to this section where you can actually select and set up price alerts. So you can see I've got, for example, the Australian dollar here. I could actually set up an alert however I would like, and I can set the duration of this. I can select the price level that I would like to get a notification for, and I can basically set this up to send me notifications whenever a specific price level on a specific currency pair or chart shows up. So I'm looking at euro pound. If the average hits this level, I'll get notified, and you can see the 1 week signals that it's going to hold that alert for 1 week out and notify me if that price level gets hit. And it shows me actually on the right how far away. So I'm just 4 pips away from getting a notification. That is so cool. Of course, in the top left, you can also manage your accounts that you have selected. If you're on demo, you can switch to a demo account or your live account, whatever you're operating on, and you can log in easily onto the app directly to your OANDA account. The OANDA mobile app overall is game changer. It is one of the best that I've seen in the industry, and I encourage you to check it out, explore it around, even if it's just on a demo account, to see if it's useful to you.